Hey everybody, it's Paul Grossman, the dark arts wizard of codeless AI test automation. And I'm going to be starting up these live sessions again, so you'll be seeing them coming up in regularly scheduled random times during the day. You may notice that over here I have kind of a wall that's kind of popping up over my little background green screen. A couple of months ago, I got a nice little present from my wife that was a clock that is a dragon clock with a moving tail. And of course, it's being identified as something part of me that is needs to be shown through. Uh, so it's kind of cool, but uh, if I just move my head a little bit, it kind of goes away. But we'll we'll see how that goes. Maybe I'll just move my head over to the right over here, or if you like a really cool clock like that, you can go. It takes about 2 hours to build one of those. Most of it is punching it out of some uh, wood stuff there. But what are we going to do today? Today we are going to set up a do. I wanted to go and um, give me multiple different services that a wizard services might provide. So the wizard services, we'll go and ask the AI for ideas on that because even though I went to an art school, I'm not that all creative. And we'll also have it put in a button for those services, which whether you have signed up or you either need to sign up, or if you've already signed up, you want to access. So I think we'll do sign up and access. The one button will be on there and it'll say sign up or access, and there'll be multiple services. So each one will have a sign up, sign up, sign up, sign up until you click it and you have access and sign up, access, sign up. And as you click them, they'll switch the names. The point being is that, do you want to have an automation tool that can identify this? And I'm going to try and build a sample of this. This is from an example of a recent project I was on. So it's a real life situation that we might have there. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to give it a nice new name. And by the way, you can find my stuff on WebSim. You can see some of my projects over here. I believe I saw some projects. There's a few of my projects that I've done in the past, uh, but we're going to do a brand new one over here. So let's go do that. This is going to be the button multiverse. Click challenge. Now we're not going to do, and we'll spell it right, challenge. We're not going to be actually doing any automation on it. We need to build the website first, and then we'll do the automation with the tool. So what would I like to build today? I need a front page that has multiple services provided. Let's spell that right. Services provided by the wizard. Each service has a button that will be named sign up. Or it would do activate. When the button is clicked, it will change to open or activated. I like that. Let's give that a shot and see how it chugs away. And while it's going on that, I've got ChatGPT over here. And I don't know, I think I'm going to ask it what different types of online services would a wizard provide. So let's ask it to do that. And we can see tarot readings, rune casting, dream interpret. All these are pretty good over here. So I like that. Just heard a ding. Hey, look at that. Arcane Services. It built it. And if I click on activated, oh, I should, I'm going to go remove this for a moment. And then I'm going to go add, I'm going to remove this from our stage. I'm going to stop the share and bring it back up because you should hear this. This is kind of cool. I'm going to go hit the share screen, entire screen. And then I'm going to go and say screen 2. I want to turn on the audio over here. So here it is. Here's my screen. I wanted to take us to a potion brewing page or a fireball cast page. And we'll let it sit there and think about that. Uh, there's other things we could have added in there. AI familiar setup, curse debugging. And ChatGPT knows I work in AI, so that's kind of cool. All right, let's go back over here. We're going to watch this chug away. It does take a little bit of time. It is kind of thinking about what's going on. And that's why I like to try and consider other things while I am doing a live stream because this could be a little boring. Oh, it said I already did it. So let's try it. Okay. If I click activated, it takes us to potion brewing. It's cool. And then back to arcane services. I like that. And if I click it again, ah, can't deactivate it now. Okay. Add a deactivate button that remove and resets the service. Okay. I think that will do. I think I'll like it. So we can go back to the activated. Maybe we should call this deactivated and active. Yeah, and we'll do that. So it's chugging away, thinking about version 3, because I would like it to be able to unactivate. So it's thinking about it. The little wizard logo, like that. Oh, there we go. We got the new one. So if I click on activate for this, we can deactivate it, or I can activate it, click on activate it, and we can go back to the services and deactivate it. That looks absolutely perfectly fine. All right. Well, this has been a short little 10, 11-minute video showing you how you can use WebSim. We're going to come back in a future live session, and we are going to see if we can click on the activate or activated button, and at the same time with one link. I should go get the link for this. We'll share this out. I'm going to go and do that. We will go to banners. I don't know if I want banners. I think I want to have some sort of chat. Okay, create a banner. So here is add the banner, and we'll go show this. So that's where you can find this particular um, experiment. You can play with it. So why do I do this? Because we want to see if we can have a test automation tool go and resolve the situation. Can it? And I would say probably using, I don't know, we'll probably start off with not Selenium. I'd love to do Selenium, but today it's Playwright. So we might do Playwright, have one element that says, hey, I want to click on activate or activated, and I wanted to be able to find it near levitation, because I don't want to have a whole bunch of things going to number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. I wanted to be able to do this. So I really like WebSim. I'm going to bring this to an end. I saw one person looking over here while the entire time was running. Maybe I missed a few, but that is it for right now. And we will be back shortly with building a Playwright automation to go and click all these things. I'm Paul Grossman, the Dark Arts Wizard of Test Automation. Have yourself a great day. Cheers.